Soul Squad, guess what I'm making? You guys saw that thumbnail. Yes, I am making stuffed shells. Okay, I already did the noodles. They here. I put a little oil on them because I need them to cool down before we stuff them. Just follow the instructions on your box. This is about 2 big jumbo boxes of noodles. This is a little over 4 pounds of hamburger. Yes, they're already almost done. I'm gonna drain the grease off. I season them. Season your hamburger to your taste. You know, just cook until it's done. Then drain off all that grease. In this bowl, I have 3 cups of mozzarella cheese. I have a thing of Parmesan cheese, the whole thing. 2 small things of ricotta, 2 eggs. And I'm going to mix this all up. I'm going to add in some parsley flakes. I should have got fresh parsley, but I didn't. We're going to be right back, guys, when all this is nice and cool. Again, the hamburger's almost done. I'm going to drain it, let it cool down. And when we come back, Brandon will be here. Then you'll be able to see me. And we'll be able to stuff our noodles, our shells, and place it in the oven. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. The hamburger's cooled off. The noodles been cooled off, the shells. And I have my mixture, and I add in my parsley flakes. Again, it is 2 things of ricotta, which is this one, because I didn't have the big one at Aldi, so I had to get 2. I have 1 whole thing of Parmesan cheese. I bought 2, but I just went with 1 in here. And 3 cups of this mozzarella cheese. And I have some shredded cheese that I'm going to help top everything with. Okay. Let's do 2 eggs. Let's stir this all up. This is all going inside my shells, people. My hamburger's cooled down. Hand me that little white bowl behind you, Ryan. Yeah. And if I need to make some more mix, I have some more stuff to mix.
Yeah.
Okay. So I gotta set some of this aside because somebody wants some shells without any hamburger meat. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a little bit at a time.
And we got garlic bread.
Yeah, I want some cheesy garlic bread. I didn't make any.
What is it? Ready?
What? Oh, then the tea cookies for y'all dessert. That's video from yesterday, you guys. But the day is still Sunday.
What?
But you're seeing the video on Tuesday. And this is how I do mine. We're going to have to do, because my arthritis is acting up, I'm going to have to get Brandon to stir this up for me. All good. That's one thing. That's why I use a mixer when I'm baking, because, y'all, so I'm gonna get Brandon to finish fixing this for me, guys. Stir it all up, cause look, see my hands starting to shake and the arthritis hurting up. It's hurting. We'll be right back when we get this all mixed, cause it's really thick, so I can't really grip it. Okay, we're back, guys. Brandon did a good job. I did add some more Parmesan cheese, another egg, and a half of this ricotta, because I had a lot of meat. Now, you're going to take your favorite saucepan, your favorite aluminum pan, take your favorite pasta sauce, Aldi's brand, pour some in the bottom. This is what your shell is going to sit on, okay? I have 3 more left. I have a large family, so hopefully I'm making enough for these guys. My shells are cooled. And you're just going to take your spoon and you're going to stuff them. I'm not going to overly stuff them, but I'll make sure a lot of portion is up in there. And you're just going to line them up just like that. Let me show you again. Open up your shell. It's nice and cool. Oh, what I supposed to tell you guys, I said in the last video, yesterday's video, I said I'm going to tell you guys something. I'm coming to Greensboro. Yes, Greensboro, North Carolina, October the 5th. I'm going to be having lunch at some chicken and waffle house. I'll get you guys the name. And if you live in the area, I'm just going to say, you know, come out. If you have my book, bring my book. That one all messed up. Bring my book. Bring my book with you so I can sign it. Yes, and we can eat lunch and take some photos. And I like to meet the guys behind the computer, behind the phones. I would love to meet you guys. And just put them as close as possible, like a bed of shells. And as you can tell, I have a lot to do. I think I get 5 on each roll. And I used oil once I drained the shells, and follow the instructions on your box. Again, I'm going to make them kind of nice and full and puff like that. So that's just how you do it, guys. Look at this, Brandon.
Okay.
And look at this.
Okay.
And look at me. I ain't going to do all this on film. So, let me do this. Come back, show you the end results before we place them in the oven. Okay? We'll be right back. Okay, we back. That ain't for y'all, that's for Brandon. I put my finger, like my grandfather used to whistle and point to the basement. We need to go downstairs in the basement. Brandon, right here. Okay. Look, guys, I ended up with a tray and a half. So your next step.
Hot sauce? No,
Hot sauce.
I'm fine.
No. Is to add some pasta sauce. I don't like a lot of pasta sauce. I ain't eating this anyway, so.
Give me this whole tray to myself.
I said, oh, I forgot she was some of her. Okay. Hope you guys come out. If you're in the Greensboro, North Carolina area, hope you guys okay that hurricane and everything that went on down north and south. Hope everybody's family is okay, made it through. Yeah, so look. This is how I make mine. To be honest, haven't made them in a long time, but I got several requests for how you make your stuffed shells. So I'm gonna give you lasagna 3 ways: the regular way, the stovetop, and stuffed shells. If there's another way, let me know about it. Okay, this is where I go in with my mozzarella cheese. I didn't.
That's not mozzarella.
My cheddar cheese. I'll say the mozzarella for last. I didn't add this into my mix with my hamburger. Oh,
You okay?
my arthritis in my hand.
You got stuck?
Hand stuck. It's always something. Damn.
You know they got medicine for that, right? Arthritis.
You know these damn. Oh, my hand stuck. Yeah, look at my hand.
Want me to cut it?
Yeah, cut that. I gotta get my hand together.
Hey guys, it's your boy Josh. I don't know what to do.
I'm telling you what to do.
Alright, but
Alright, now take the white cheddar cheese, the yellow cheese, put on this one.
yeah. So T having some technical difficulties with her hands right now, so I'm standing.
Oh my
there.
God, what he doing?
I'm trying to. I don't got the touch. I'm not salt bae. I'm trying to sprinkle it.
Look at this one, and look at that one.
Alright, I got you. Just add a little more. That's all there is to it. That's all you telling me. Just add more. That's all you telling me. Add more. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go back on that side. Let me just get the first layer down. That's what I was working on. You. exactly what I was doing.
Oh, right.
Just keep going over it. And actually, you can put how much cheese you want. You don't have to copy that other side.
We're back at the hospital.
So.
All you
man.
gotta do is eat some salt.
Oh man. This video not going right, y'all. SoulfulT in pain right now.
But why you laughing at my pain, son?
I'm laughing because you want me to record this. He told us I gotta go to the hospital.
Hey, yeah, the show must go
You
on.
gonna have your fans worried till I gotta go to the hospital.
Okay, now put that down.
He went with the whole pack on
He
it.
fucking the whole pack on there.
And use the white.
The white, top the white for both of them.
The
So
Mark
you're right
brother.
here, just keep it in the thing. I can't help you.
Oh yeah.
Now you don't have to use the yellow cheese, you know,
Yeah,
white.
yeah, you don't have to use the yellow cheese. You can just use any type of cheese you want. The flavors that you want for your pasta. You know, for your lasagna. What is this again?
Stuffed shells, man.
For your stuffed shells, whatever flavor you want, you use whatever cheese you want. We just going to the you know, the basics and just.
All my boys in the kitchen, y'all.
And sharp cheddar. Is this enough cheese?
Yeah, let's do the other one.
Okay.
They came running to my rescue. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, what is that? I'm in pain though.
I'm gonna have to edit this video.
Wait, no, it is what it is. People know about arthritis.
Oh yeah.
That's right. You're doing a good job now.
That's all she doing good.
Don't do that no more, man. That wasn't cool.
It's like a straight lasagna.
Gotta make sure you get all the edges. You know how the girls be like, I gotta get my edges. Get them edges.
I got you.
Alright, let's put it on the oven on 350, like for 30 minutes until the cheese is melted.
And we'll be right back.
Okay, Soul Squad, we're back. I am so sorry. Hey guys, I took an Advil for my arthritis and I ain't showing my face. I done pulled the wig off and everything. I know my kids is gonna end this video, but I'm gonna go lay down, drink me plenty of water, and see you guys in the next video. But look, it is ready. It is done. I'm just gonna dig in it right here and let you guys see how cheesy that is. Brandon Waller, seriously.
Your face going to show.
Oh, don't show my face.
Okay, I was trying to help you out.
I took everything off. So guys, this is my stuffed shell video. I hope you guys like it. The kids got garlic. Look at that. Oh, look at that. The kids got garlic bread in the oven. They're ready to eat. Until next time, guys, please like, share, and subscribe to this video. And I promise you, I am okay. The arthritis is getting out of hand sometimes. And I made 2 videos in one day using my hands. So when I use my hands a lot, they tend to cramp up on me. And I had a moment, but I am good. Love you guys, and I am out. Hope you love this recipe. Yay. Hope you guys like this video. I tried. Try the recipe. Just use a smaller cutter. Huh? Yeah. Try the recipe. Just use a smaller cutter. Maybe a